Yo, I know Christmas is by the corner and you're wondering how to draw a Santa Claus. Yeah, you're in the right video. This video I'm going to show you how to draw a Santa Claus, color and shade. So let's get started. I'm going to double click on this brush. You would use the accuracy to the list. If you reduce it to the list, meaning that I'm going to draw it without any assistance, and that's the best setting for sketch. Alright, so let's run it up. I'm going to speed up this video, so after the sketch we're going to start the real artwork. Alright, so we are done with the sketch. So we're about to start the line work before we get into the coloring and shading. So first thing we're going to do right now is to reduce the opacity of this sketch layer. So what I did is to select the layer and go to my opacity here, reduce it to roughly 30, which is okay. Yeah, it's okay. So I'm gonna come down here and create like a new layer above it. So this line work is going to be on this new layer above the sketch layer. So let's start drawing the line work. Guys, so now we're done with the line work. The next thing we're doing right now is the coloring. This might be a little bit tricky, but just take a look and see how I'm gonna work it out. So first of all, I'm going to duplicate this line work layer by dragging this to, drag it below here and drop it there. So it will duplicate. I'm going to lock the first one above. So what I'm going to do is to select everything. So object, expand appearance, objects again, expand. Make sure the fill and stroke is being checked. Okay. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on my shape builder tool. Now to right click here and choose live paint buckets. So this way I'm gonna like select all the colors that I'm gonna fill here. So where am I getting these colors from? Go to view and swatch. Oh no, I'm sorry, it's window swatch. Then it's my swatches, and this is where I'm gonna get all my colors from. So we're starting with the red color, which is this. I think, yeah, this red is okay. So click here, wherever you have the red color, just click on it. Or where you ought or think should have the red color, just click on it. Yeah. Alright, so next thing is skin tone. What skin tone are we going for? Yeah. Natural. Skin tone. Alright. Where else are we going to put the skin tone? Yeah, I think that's all for the skin tone. So the next part of it is the white part in the clothing. We can make it we don't want to use like a pure white color. are done with the coloring, yeah, so the next step now is the shading. So in order to do the shading, which is on a different separate layer, I'm gonna first of all lock this color layer, then create a new empty layer above it. So here I'm gonna start adding the shading, which is gonna be simple. Yeah, so I'm gonna use I can use my pen tool here. I can use my pen tool. So let's figure out where we can add. Yeah, okay, somewhere here. So what we are doing right now is that the lighting, which is the light comes from the right hand side, meaning that the shadow is going to be casted by the left or on the left.